Oh, hello, Elgin, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jessica Johnson from Hellogard Robotics, and it's a pleasure to speak with you. For those tuning in, I'm joined by Elgin Toclanny, the director of the Inn of the Mountain Gods, a premier destination known for its exceptional hospitality and innovative approach to guest experiences. I'm thrilled to discuss the impact our robots have had on your operations at the Inn of the Mountain Gods, and we appreciate you taking the time to share your experiences. I'm excited to hear how our partnership has influenced your business. So let's begin with a few questions. How has integrating robots from Hellogard impacted your overall productivity and efficiency?
Okay, well, to open it up, it's done a lot for us within our organization. The biggest thing here is, the robots itself have, I guess you can say, somewhat been intimidating at first when we started. However, at this time, with the time we've had with the robots, whether it be from the amenity robots to the cleaning robots, I mean, it's been a big help to our organization, to our staffing. When we don't have, the staffing there, we can always count on these robots. So it's been a big plus for us.
Okay, and can you share specific instances where our robots have exceeded your expectations in terms of performance or functionality?
Sure. I would say the biggest thing here is the property we have. It's so wide open. We got many hallways and a big convention center and things like that. As you know, this time is, of the essence for us, and we just don't have that amount of team members with us that can hit all these areas. So with these robots, it's just the simple programming where we want them to go, where we want them to clean, whether it be at after hours or during the day. I would say that was the biggest thing that I've seen. It's basically robotic anytime you want. So it's helped our organization quite a bit.
And what sets our robots apart from others you may have considered or used in the past?
Well, to be honest, this is the first time we've ever had these type of robots. Um, I would say we've never went with anyone else. You were our first choice, so we went along, and so far so good. So this is our first experience with any type of robots. Would be through Hellogard, and
And in what ways have our robots contributed to cost savings or increased profitability of your business?
oh, in a lot of ways, for sure, with labor, definitely. The amount of people that we need to clean this area where I'm at, our resort and such, we have a lot of call-offs and things like that, just like anyone else. With the robots, it's anytime, anywhere. Whenever we need them, they're there. We got a program that we set up with them. The majority of the times, they're cleaning in the overnight shifts, so that really helps us, and we're really efficient, especially when they're working, after hours.
And how seamlessly did our robots integrate into your existing workflow and team dynamics?
I would say it went really well. I wouldn't say seamless because at first, it was something new to us. But however, since we've grown into the idea of having these robots, it's actually helped a lot. Once again, with labor and such. So the good thing about it is whenever we need them, they're always there for us.
And what aspects of our robots do you find most valuable or beneficial to your operations?
I would say very valuable because once again, anytime we need the robots to do a certain job, they're always there. And the good thing about it is we can always schedule them when we need them, where they need to be, things like that, whether it be in our convention center or guest corridors. I mean, we can always set it up. So it's been real convenient for us to set up these scheduled times for them to hit these areas.
And have you encountered any challenges during the implementation or use of our robots, and how were they addressed?
Okay. Challenging, I would say, to a point when we first got him, just because we've never dealt with the robots in general. We did have our challenges here and there, whether it be because of Wi-Fi connectivity or just knowing the robot itself. However, I think we've gone past those obstacles, so now it seems to be running fairly smooth. I mean, every now and then we'll have an occasional brush, that needs to be replaced on the robots or something to that nature. But however, everything's been going good so far.
Right. And how would you describe the level of support and assistance provided by our team throughout your experience with our robots?
No, that's a good question. Really good at this point. Anytime we have any issues or problems with the robots, we got a few texts that we have their emails or their phone numbers. I guarantee you, once we call them, they're calling us within 5-10 minutes or within that day. So, as far as service overall, with the support that we're getting, very pleased with the team.
Awesome. And can you quantify the impact our robots have had on your company's bottom line or overall success?
Since we're still new at the program, I mean, the savings, of course, isn't going to be on the labor portion. Um, there's I can't tell you how much they've helped, especially when we're shorthanded. So bottom line itself, I can see it in our labor area. So that's where I can see it's helped us a lot.
Okay, and our last question, what would you say to other businesses considering incorporating robots into their operations based on your experience with our products?
Sure. With our experience or with mine and my team, I would say it's worth a shot. I only say that because, the labor pool in some areas may be less than others. But with us, what we've learned is, you can utilize these robots any time of the day. And I think that's real convenient because, we have something that needs to be swept, clean, mopped, or anything to that nature. We can always program that computer or the robot to actually take care of these areas that we need to be swept or mopped, like I said. So overall, just working with the computers in general, I mean the robots in general, they're always there for us. And I would say that's the biggest thing that we notice is, they're at our leisure, our discretion, whenever we need them, they're there.
Okay, awesome. Well, Elgin, thank you so much for sharing your insights today. Your feedback is invaluable, and it's inspiring to hear how our robots have made a positive impact at the Inn of the Mountain Gods. We're proud to be part of your success, and we look forward to continuing to support your business in the future. Thanks again for your time.
Yes, thank you.